speed and reduced manpower due to the significantly increased productivity of the mechanical separation, especially of lumps and stones. How often have you thought about every head of your cabbage being lifted off the ground with artificial precision and care? Meet Commander 1, the cabbage harvester that turns every day into a marvel of technology. Can a machine deliver a perfect root cut without harming your cabbage? Commander 1 proves it can. And where would you rather send your harvest? For long-term storage or directly to market? Either way, a combine harvester will not only free you from your worries, it will also open up new opportunities for your business. How can you experience full control over the transportation of long timber? Dahl offers the answer: self-driving trailers that turn transportation into an art form. Whether you choose the 2-axle or 3-axle version, your load, up to 72 feet, will 3-cylinder Stage 5 diesel engine together with a battery pack will provide the crane with the necessary power. To set up the crane must first be placed on short outriggers for positioning the mats by remote control. The crane lifts itself. The tower extends and the boom unfolds by pressing a single button on the remote control. Exactly 11 minutes after the crane has been placed on the outriggers, it's ready for operation. Ropa 2 has expanded its product range with the new Kaler 2 Double Select. This is a machine that allows for increased separation efficiency in cloddy and stony soil. This potato harvester has an additional triple UVC with a separate impurity draft and an additional extendable sorting stand. By separating clod and stone in the early stages of harvesting, damage to the potatoes is significantly reduced, and the product is harvested even more gently. The machine impresses with its increased lifting liters, and the payload is 500 kilograms. Furthermore, this unit has a hydrostatic 2-speed drive and a hydraulic tipping body with high emptying. By the way, the unloading height is 1,450 millimeters. Thanks to its new features, this tipper does not reduce productivity and will be a great helper in your work. Spearings has delivered the world's largest electric mobile crane that can be operated from a 16-amp zero-emission outlet. The heavy crane weighs 72 tons, stands 216 feet tall, and has a lifting capacity of 10 tons, and can be operated from a conventional electrical outlet. Thanks to the integrated battery pack, power consumption peaks can be smoothed out. If the crane is not used for a few seconds, the hydraulic pumps shut down, reducing energy consumption. If there is no mains connection, the crane can also be operated in hybrid mode, where a small traction with a single unit, constant availability, fast and accurate cleanup of demolition and material sorting areas, less waste disposal costs. This bucket not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascals, but also has other superior features. For example, it has a powerful maximum airflow of 3.4 meters cubed per second and an adjustable suction airlock for precise vacuum cleaning. There is also an auxiliary suction port and vacuum hose for on-foot work. And then, there are special bag filters for a variety of applications. What do we know about JCB's newfangled HTD5 demo dump truck? Well, at least that its operating weight is only 590 kilograms, and its power is 5.9 horsepower at 4.4 kilowatts. The manufacturer took care of the engine and supplied a Kohler diesel with an electric starter. The trough volume reaches 310 to 20 minutes on concrete and twice as fast on asphalt. The technique features a 14-inch deep cutout, improved positioning, and additional centering arms. It includes heavy-duty hydraulic motors, hydraulically powered breakaway function, no rocking or breakaway of the loader, and 45 carbide-tipped cutters for cutting concrete, asphalt, and brick. With the help of a miracle machine, a man turns metal into a work of art, carving holes with incredible ease. One can only guess how many centuries it would take to do the same work with just his hands and patience. What do you think this HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket is for? Firstly, it converts any hydraulic energy or mobile equipment or vehicle into vacuum for waste disposal and into airflow for cleaning. Some of its advantages include powerful air injection and suction, as the weight distribution along the machine is good for driving comfort. The Epiroc DM30XC is a crawler-mounted top hydraulic rotary blast hole drilling machine with 30-foot drill pipe exchange capability. The starter drill rod is located under the DM30XC machine's rotary drive. Total cleaning depth is 148 feet, depending on drill pipe size. The DM30XC is designed to handle drill pipe diameters from 4 inches to 6¼ inches. The drill bit is rated at 44,000 pounds. A choice of low or high pressure compressor makes the machine suitable for rotary drilling or submerged percussion drilling. The HS572 sewer saw from ConnectTech Universal is a heavy-duty skid steer attachment that removes the collar and adjacent areas of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. It dramatically reduces manhole cover repair time, typically significantly reducing labor costs. The tree tire's convenient and unusual design includes angled tubes for initial lifting of branches, a hydraulic gate opening, and a size reduction ring. This model of machinery is designed to last a long time with virtually no maintenance. Its unique design allows all trees to be wrapped tightly and evenly, reducing the likelihood of branch damage during transportation. The Osprey 3 is a versatile, gentle, and extremely efficient machine for stacking crops of potatoes or other vegetables either in rows next to the machine or in rows across 2 beds. It has integrated hydraulics to drive the cleaning rollers with the tractor's PTO. The Osprey 3 has standard 24-inch wheels, allowing it to carry a slightly heavier chassis, but it requires a little more horsepower. The model has a ground drive option for farmers who use this machine in extremely wet conditions. However, this option is rarely needed. Capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The Kuhn RW1610 Professional Bale Wrapper is ideal for wrapping tasks where high productivity and high efficiency are required. Thanks to the sturdy design with low table height and standard large wheels at the rear, there's no need for an active fall arrestor. This saves additional steps in the operation, and the bale can be unloaded on the go. The constant weight transfer in the direction of the tractor avoids slipping on slopes. In addition, the RW1610 can load and carry a second bale on the loading arm during wrapping. The wrapper is equipped as standard with a film trimmer and a film bale holder for 2 units. Dutchman Tree Tire is another innovative product that can tie standing trees in seconds. This machine can tie up to 40 trees every hour. The girder onto a previously installed girder, slowly extends its arms to the next support platform, pushes the girder toward the front of the machine, and then lowers it into place. It's a complicated system, but what an effect! Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a tracked base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel under adverse working conditions. The company has applied a special Urbex picking system, which ensures the purity of the product during harvesting. The combine can be optionally equipped with a 3.2-foot or 5.5-foot operator platform and various optional equipment to meet your individual needs. When equipped as standard, its proportional electro-hydraulic sensors allow you to achieve the best results in cutting lettuce. The bridge needs to be built, so it's time to take the cranes apart, right? Not so fast. A Chinese company has created a machine that has a creative way of putting girders in place. The SLJ series model, manufactured by Beijing-based Wow Joint Machinery Company, is a 580-ton, 300-foot-long, 24-foot-wide mega machine that looks more like a train than a crane. Instead of using a stationary or crawler crane to lift the bridge girder off the ground and into place, this machinery drives. The SP460 is a combination of an elevator and a 6-ton multi-purpose hopper. The elevator enables the machine to operate with continuous fast flow and direct loading into a trailer moving alongside the machine when conditions are favorable, providing maximum output per hour as harvesting continues unabated. The hopper can support the process as a buffer in case where trailers may not be sufficient for endless unloading. The elevator arm swings up along the machine and continues to fill the hopper, capable of holding 6 tons of carrots. The entire tine elevator section of the machine is designed as an interchangeable unit, so the 4-row Terrabil section can replace the Coulter elevator. Here is another self-propelled tracked salad harvester, the 8400 electric model from Ortomec. Its rigid and galvanized frame allows the machine to be used both in the greenhouse and in the field